Hey guys, welcome back to another Ninja Guides video guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Bluesky Social. So it's really easy and simple. It is pretty similar to, Twitter. For example, if you want to if you want to like this photo, you just come here and click like. If you want to retweet it, or well, in this app it's called repost, you can come here and repost or click on, quote post, and here you can just write in comments, but I have to confirm on my email first. Anyways, so you can scroll down and view stuff on your feed, or you can come here and see your following list. If you have followed people, you can come here and click on search, and it will show you suggested account, and you can discover new feeds that way. Whatever you're into, maybe you're into science or art or news. For example, let's say I'm into science. I can come here and click on science, and you're going to see posts that are related to science. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So you can come here and click on these three horizontal lines, and you can come and click on feeds as well. And if you want to chat with people, guys, you can come here. Let's go to home screen. You can come here and chat with people and send people messages. So for example, I want to send a message to this person, Jazz. I'm going to come here, click on their profile, and of course, guys, they have to follow you back first before they can actually message you. It is pretty similar to Twitter. Anyways, guys, I hope this video helped you guys, and until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Ninja Guides, and make sure you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to Ninja Guides, and I'll see you guys in the next one.